Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a pool skimmer from Betta. For those that don't know what a pool skimmer is, this device will intelligently move around the surface of your pool, scooping up all the debris that would normally sink to the bottom of your pool and that your pool vacuum would need to collect. Using the Betta SE pool skimmer means that you're not having to use your pool vacuum as much and hence saving money in your electricity bills, not to mention the crystal clear pool water. Now, since you've arrived on this video, it probably means that you are looking for a pool skimmer and have done your homework. If that's the case, then maybe use the timestamps and jump to the Roundup for my conclusions. If not, let's dive on in and see what's in the box. The Betta SE pool skimmer comes double boxed, giving you peace of mind that your precious device is not going to be damaged in transit. In the box, you get the Betta SE pool skimmer, an infrared remote control for manually controlling your skimmer. They even include the batteries and a screwdriver to remove the battery cover. There are two additional longer anti-beach legs and instructions for installing them. More on that later. And finally, you get a comprehensive user manual. Plus you get an additional sheet that gives you some handy hints to avoid getting your device stuck on the pool skimmer box used for pool cleaning. The Betta SE pool skimmer comes in two attractive colors of white and vibrant blue, allowing you to match to your pool aesthetics. Betta have recently redesigned the product after listening to their customers, now including more durable materials to give you peace of mind around longevity of their product. The redesign is not limited to just the materials used. The twin salt chlorine tolerant motors have been redesigned with even more efficiency. You are safe putting this in a chlorine pool or a saltwater pool like mine. Don't expect to be water skiing off the back of the pool skimmer, but this really is a case of the hare and the tortoise. Slow and steady wins the race. The solar panel on the device is fully protected in a watertight enclosure, protecting it against water, corrosion and sun damage. This charges the built-in lithium battery to provide super long-lasting performance. I placed my Betta SE pool skimmer into my pool, turned it on, and it ran for 36 hours straight. And yes, that was all the way through the night. It's very weird watching green lights moving around your pool silently in the dead of night. The next morning, with the first rays of light, the Betta SE skimmer came back to life and started cleaning again. So you really do get 24/7 pool skimming. The collection basket on the skimmer is huge, allowing you to go for weeks between emptying, but your mileage might vary depending on your trees and insect debris that usually end up in your pool. Remember, the point is to collect it before it falls to the bottom of the pool, so this is one case where bigger is better. Then you get to the ultrasonics. These help the skimmer avoid obstacles in the pool. This is a great idea, and if the obstacle is big enough, then yes, they work. However, don't expect Tesla obstacle avoidance. They work best with large obstacles or walls of the pool. We recently had a huge amount of rain in Sydney, filling the pool to the capping pavers of the pool. In this case, the obstacle sensors didn't work as they didn't see the 2.5 centimeter edge profile of the paver. That's where the 4 bumper wheels located on the front corners of the skimmer come into their own, protecting your skimmer from damage and helping it turn around and head in a different direction. Genius, simple, and works every time. The skimmer comes fitted with 4 plastic legs. These are not so you can stand it on a table, as I thought, but instead are designed for those of you that have shallows in your pool. They are called bumpers in the manual. These are designed to prevent the skimmer from beaching itself in the shallows and getting stuck. The Betta team have also included in the box 2 additional legs if you want to prevent even getting close to the beach. Nice touch. The included infrared remote control is made of a durable plastic and, as mentioned, is not waterproof, so be careful around water. It's a good size and easy to use, but does need to be in close proximity to the skimmer to work. But then again, I've only used this once for testing, and the rest of the time I didn't even touch it. This product has a 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon and a 4.7 on the Betta website, with the vast majority of the people giving it a 5-star rating. This is something to be very proud of. Well done, Betta. The Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool skimmer. What are my thoughts? Well, let's cut to the chase. Brilliant. Definitely a thumbs up from Smart Home Australia. Now the why. Yes, it's not cheap. $399 US is a lot of money for what seems to be such a simple device. But let me break this down for you. This cut my pool pump costs in half. That's 5 kilowatts per day. So that's 1.825 megawatt hours per year saved. I'll let you do the math for your kilowatts per cent in your country, but in Australia, that saves me 454 US. So it would pay for itself in less than a year. Your pool is crystal clear and clean 24/7, no bugs and no leaves. It's a true set and forget. Turn it on, place it in the pool, and sit back with a beverage. It comes with a year-long warranty, but this new SE model is built for longevity. So you should be good for many, many years of maintenance-free service. So what do I think they could have done better? Well, firstly, the remote control has limited range. It's not waterproof, and it's not of the same quality as the robot itself. But since this is going in a pool box or a drawer, I really don't care. For connectivity, maybe they could have gone with ultra-low powered Bluetooth, but this would impact the battery life, and it's not really required. Although I would like to control it through Home Assistant, that's a given. And that's about it. If you want lower bills, a perfectly clean pool, a cool gadget for the dog to bark at, then click the link in the description. If you've enjoyed the video, then consider subscribing to the channel, joining our ever-growing community. And if you found this video useful, then maybe a super thanks or help out the channel with a PayPal or a buy me a coffee. Until the next one, enjoy your crystal clear pools.